Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the error. This app has been blocked by your system administrator on Windows. First, open Windows Security by typing it in the taskbar search and selecting it from the results. Once it opens, click on App and Browser Control. Then select Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Here, you will see a few protection options. Turn off Check Apps and Files. Turn off potentially unwanted app blocking, and also turn off SmartScreen for Microsoft Store apps. These settings can sometimes block safe apps by mistake. Next, go to the application file that is being blocked. Right-click on the file and select Properties. In the General tab, look at the bottom section. If you see an Unblock option, check that box. Then click Apply and press OK. This step removes the security restriction from that specific file. If the app is still blocked, you can try running it using Command Prompt with administrator rights. Search for Command Prompt in the taskbar, right-click on it, and choose Run as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the full path of the application file. For example, type the location where your app is saved, then press Enter to run it directly. After following these steps, the app should open without the system administrator block error. Thanks for watching.